Design Beast is an all-in-one design software that offers a comprehensive suite of tools and features to help you create stunning graphics, videos, and animations. With its intuitive interface and extensive library of templates and assets, Design Beast is the ultimate tool for unleashing your creativity. Key features and benefits. All-in-one design suite, Design Beast provides a comprehensive suite of design tools, eliminating the need for multiple software applications. Its user-friendly interface ensures accessibility for all, including beginners. Abundant design resources. Access millions of copyright-free images, royalty-free icons, and vectors. Hundreds of fonts, stunning animations, background removal, image resizer, image filters, magic object removal, AI logo creator, live motion photos, a cover creator, and t-shirt and product mock-ups. Versatile design options. Whether you're in need of pre-designed templates for social media posts, logos, banners, or other purposes, Design Beast has you covered. You can also create custom designs from scratch using its intuitive design tools and a vast library of fonts, graphics, and shapes. Easy customization. With the drag and drop functionality, you can effortlessly customize templates to your preferences. Design Beast allows you to create designs in multiple formats, ensuring compatibility across various platforms. Dynamic animation. Advanced animation features empower you to breathe life into your designs with a variety of animation effects and transitions. You can export animations in different formats for seamless integration into websites, presentations, and videos. Why choose Design Beast? Time and cost efficiency. Design Beast consolidates all essential design tools in one platform, saving you time and money. Ready-to-use templates and drag-and-drop functionality expedite the design process, enabling you to create professional-looking designs in minutes. Professional quality. With a vast library of professionally designed templates, Design Beast ensures that your designs exude polish and visual appeal. High-quality graphics and animations give your designs a competitive edge, helping them stand out in a crowded market. Flexibility and customization. Enjoy unparalleled freedom to customize every aspect of your designs, from colors and fonts to layouts and animations. The extensive collection of design elements and templates offers limitless possibilities, ensuring your designs are unique and aligned with your brand. Design Beast is the perfect tool for graphic designers, marketers, influencers, social media creators, and business owners of all levels. Whether you're looking to create professional-looking designs in minutes or need a comprehensive suite of tools to take your designs to the next level, Design Beast has you covered. Try Design Beast today and unlock your creative potential.